Hi Paps! Happy 90th birthday! Ang wish ko sa'yo is sana patuloy kang gabayan ni Lord at bigyan ng masaya at malusog na pangangatawan. Mahal kita. I'll see you next year.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tay. Wish ko po umaba pang buhay nyo, maging malusog at malakas pa kayo. Sana makapagbakasyon na rin ako para magkita-kita tayo uli. Hope and pray very soon. Kumusta na lang po sa lahat. Ingat kayo lagi. Love you. Miss you. Love you all. God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tatay Ipe.
Awalayan.
Wishing you good health and more birthdays to celebrate, Tatay Ipe. Alagaan niyo po mabuti ang inyong sarili. God bless you more. I love you.
Love you. Good night. Happy
birthday po, Lolipe. God bless you po always.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
cha cha cha.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tatay Ipe. Happy 90th birthday. Wishing you with good health at saka marami pa pong birthday. Ingat po lagi. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tata. We miss you so much. I love you more.
Happy birthday, Tata, and many birthday blessings to you and good health. We miss you so much and we love you so much.
Happy birthday, Tatay. Enjoy your day, your 90th birthday. Have a good time.
We love you.
Bye. Bye, Tata. Happy birthday, Tata. You're the
Taipe, gumawa akong panibago video. Gumawa na ako kanina. Alam, maingay daw, sabi ni Boss None. Bumabati ako ng happy birthday sa'yo. Long time no see, pero namimiss ka namin dito. Ingat ka dyan lagi at saka God bless. More birthday to come. Okay ba?
Kakangipe, ako ay natutuwa. Naiinggit at nalulula na narating nyo ang edad na 90. Ngayon ako'y 60. Ibig sabihin, may 30 years pa akong bubunuin para marating ang edad na 90. Nakakalula. Kaya ko pa ba? Sa inyong kaarawan, kakangape, ako'y nagdarasal na sana ay bigyan pa kayo ng mahabang buhay ng ating Panginoon at sana'y makasama pa namin kayo ng matagal sa okasyon ng inyong ika-90 kaarawan. Ay talagang naalaala ko ang tatay, si Romeo. Bagamat hindi siya naging maswerte katulad noon, pero masaya na rin ako sa naabot niya na edad. Ganoon naman talaga. Hindi naman tayo lahat sabay-sabay. May nauna. Ang importante ay nandito tayo. May mga taong nag-aalala sa ating kaarawan. May mga taong nagdarasal at sama-samang nagse-celebrate isang may tuturing na biyaya, a gift of life coming from God. So, ganun pa rin. I wish you good health, happiness, and a peaceful life. Happy birthday, Kakaipe.
Happy birthday, Lolo Ipe. Wish ko ay humaba pa ng humaba ang buhay mo. Para pag uwi ko ay magsasabong tayo. Enjoy your day. Love you, Pepe.
Here. Happy birthday, Tata Ipe. I love you. Ingat palagi. And thank you for everything.
Happy 90th birthday, Tata Ipe.
Ingat lagi. I love you. Bye. Sana nandyan ako.
Hello, happy birthday, Tatay. I hope to see you soon. And I wish you the best of health.
Hi, Tay. Happy birthday. This is Kulot, your prettiest granddaughter. And hoping you good health and get stronger. Listen to your grandkids over there in the Philippines. And we'll try to visit next year and hopefully get married there.
Yeah,
Proposing or something?
I think so.
I'm forcing him.
Yes.
All right. I love you so much and enjoy your birthday.
All right, bye-bye. God bless.